and today we are going to unbox Gucci hand wash Gucci Junior like this. Now we get new edition of this. We don't get cover over this, we get cover over this. We want to pay 50 rupees for the cover and 100 rupees for hand wash. Now we open this pack. We remove the Gucci hand wash. Now there is our Gucci Junior and there is here details. Here we got details over here. Here we got details, and after reading these two charts we are ready to use this. We can also remove this cover like this and attach this cover again when we use this. Now I have to attach here because here we are eating food that we don't go to wash hand and something. We want to go like this, and now we get here hole. We want to attach in this. This is very hard, friends. We can do backside walk. Okay. Yes. Okay, friends. This, and how much we have to do shorter. We can move this inside balls. This much shorter or full short. Now we can take, when we are eating food here, we can take hand wash and we wash our hands without water and we can eat food. Okay, friends, like this video, subscribe this video, and also put the notification bell.